Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to change aggregation of the values in Power BI. So for this, we will go on the canvas of Power BI. I have already generated a table which consists of subcategories, sum of sales and sum of profit. So here the table is generated on the basis of sum. We want to change this aggregation. How we can do this? So go in sum of sales, click here. So instead of sum, change this to average. Done. Now this is average of sales. So all these figures are average. The next thing which we want to see is where we are making a maximum profit. So click here and activate the maximum. So maximum profit. We can also convert this into so value as percentage of the grand total. So it will give me the percentage of the grand total. You can see the percentage max as it was converted to the maximum. So let's convert this into sum. So percentage grand total sum of profit. So this is how you can change the aggregation value in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.